Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an Audi logo. First, begin by creating 4 identical circles. These circles will form the foundation of your design. Carefully arrange them so they overlap slightly, creating a visually appealing chain. Pay close attention to the spacing between each ring to maintain a balanced and professional appearance. This initial step is crucial for achieving the iconic look. Now let's refine those rings. Adjust the stroke thickness to give them a substantial and impactful presence. Next, apply a metallic gradient to each ring. This will instantly transform your two-dimensional circles into a sophisticated, three-dimensional design. Make sure the gradient flows seamlessly across all 4 rings, creating a unified and polished look. This step adds depth and realism. To further enhance the realism, let's add some subtle details. Incorporate inner shadows within each ring to create a sense of depth and dimension. Then, add highlights to simulate how light would reflect off a metallic surface. These small touches are essential for making the logo truly pop. Ensure that both the shadows and highlights work together to amplify the metallic effect, giving it a premium feel. For the final touches, take a moment to review the overall composition. Check for perfect symmetry and balance across all 4 rings. Export your finished logo in various formats, such as PNG and SVG, to ensure it's ready for any application, from web to print. This ensures versatility. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Your attention to detail here makes all the difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.